Understanding roof space in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore the term roof space. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means and how to use it in your conversations. Roof space refers to the area or void between the ceiling of the topmost floor of a building and the actual roof. In many houses, this space is often unused but can sometimes be transformed for various purposes. Another common term for it is attic or loft, though there can be slight differences based on the actual use or design. The significance of roof space goes beyond just its name. Here's why. 1. Storage. Many homeowners use their roof space as an area for storage. It's a great place to keep things that aren't used daily, like old clothes, books, or seasonal decorations. 2. Conversion. Some people convert their roof space into usable rooms, such as a bedroom, office, or playroom. 3. Insulation. Roof space plays a vital role in insulating a house. A well-insulated roof space can keep a home warmer in winter and cooler in summer, which can save on energy costs. 4. Ventilation. Proper ventilation in the roof space can prevent the buildup of moisture, which can lead to mold growth and other structural issues. To understand the term better, let's see it in action. 1. We're thinking of converting our roof space into a guest bedroom. 2. The insulation in the roof space needs to be checked before winter. 3. I stored all the old toys in the roof space. And there we have it. Now you're familiar with what roof space is and its significance. The next time you come across this term or need to use it, you'll do so with confidence. We hope this explanation has been clear and helpful. Keep learning and see you in the next video.